Hey crafty friends, this is Tiffany from the Crafting Alley, and today I'm going to show you in this quick video how to put together this cute 3D daisy that I made using a file that I created. So let's go ahead and get to it. So I'm speeding up this video a little bit, but here you can see I'm using my little round tool that you do little flowers with, paper flowers. And what I'm doing is putting lines down the middle of each petal just to give it some definition. If you look at real daisies, they kind of have a little line down the middle. And if you don't have this tool, I'll show you a little later in the video. You'll see me using my bone folder. You can also do these lines using a bone folder would work. Here you see me using my foam pad. It comes with the flower tool, and I'll link it in YouTube if I can find something similar. I bought this a while ago, but it's fun for paper flowers. It helps kind of give them shape. Here you'll see me using the tool to curve the ends of the petals. You could also use a pencil for this, or a pen, or any kind of little small round tool you may have. This just kind of gives the petals a little bit of shape, but daisies are pretty flat, but just to make it a little more three-dimensional, I figured I'd do this towards the ends of the petals. So I think it came out pretty nice, and it helped with the shape. Then I grabbed my little cordless glue gun by Bonder. I love the little gun. And just attaching the two bigger petals together and kind of offset them a little bit so that you can see them. Then I took a foam dot and attached a smaller petal to the middle, and I kind of offset it to the left to give show kind of some dimension, and you can see the little layers. Here I have the stamen that I made, and I've taken my glue gun and just every so often put some glue on it to glue it together, but you don't want to roll it up really tight. As you can see, I'll try and show every now and then that I'm not rolling it up too tight, because you want it to kind of cover that blank center in the middle. Daisies kind of have like a big center, decorative center in the middle, and so then you want to connect the other piece and keep going round and round, not too tight, kind of loose really, and keep gluing it as you're going along. Every so often, you don't have to glue every piece. And then once I have that glued up, you want to glue the end so it stays together. And then you can see I'm trying to show here, put a lot of glue at the bottom so that it sticks well to the middle of the flower. Just kind of push it down, hold it so it dries, and then you'll see me here kind of spreading out the stamen, and that's kind of what's going to cover the center of your daisy. I love how the little circles come out and show some texture to the center of the daisy. You see me here trying to get the glue off. I usually use liquid glue, but for 3D projects and projects like this, sometimes I like to use my hot glue gun, and I'm struggling to put it down. So I'm just kind of playing with my stamen, and when you're rolling up your stamen as well, you don't want the circles to line up. You want them kind of to be mixed so that, you get a good variation of where the stamen lie in the center. And I'm just taking my little tool again and kind of curling up the back leaves. And this is how our little 3D daisy came out. I really love it. I hope y'all do too, and I hope y'all give it a chance and make it. Bye. Well, thank y'all for watching my tutorial, and I hope you grab your 3D daisy file and try making it yourself. And if you do, let me know how you like it. And you can find this file to make this 3D daisy along with others in my Etsy shop or in the Silhouette Design store. And you can follow me on all social media at A Crafting Alley. And follow my blog and visit my website at www.acraftingalleycrafts.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.